Hey guys, just left Five Below. I'm drinking my Starbucks and I just got like this little slime package with 15 slimes and with some glitter, sequins, and foam beads. So today I will be doing a review on that. See you guys soon. Okay guys, I am home. So now is for the reveal of what slime kit it is. 3, 2, 1. Ding! So it is mix and twist slime kit. So it's 15 slime containers with slime in them, 1 pack of glitter, 1 pack of sequins, 2 packs of foam beads, and it also has a 3 mystery collectibles. So I don't know if I get all of these slimes because I looked in here and I don't have the tar slime. So I don't know how I'm gonna open this, but I am. Oh, that was easy. So, ooh, I didn't know that the foam beads were gonna be this big, but it's really big. Okay, so this is how it looks. Come closer. Look. And so I have this itsy bitsy tiny bag of foam beads, some multicolored beads, these cute small little like charms here. I can't really see this one, but it looks like a little animal. And then I also have some more foam beads, some glitter, and so I'm going to take this off if I can. Okay, I guess this one is the first one to be makeover. So for this one, I'm just gonna add in these foam beads. So first I wanna see if they're like actually pokey, because usually store-bought slime isn't. This thing is hard to open. Dang. And I got this packet at Five Below. It was $5.35, and that's including tax. God. This is hard to open. So that's a bad thing right there. Are you supposed to untwist it or something? Okay, I don't know how to open that one. So I'm gonna just try this one right here. It's also pretty. Okay, so they're twist opens. So, okay, this one is a clear pink slime with some cute glitter in it, but it also rips. So, yeah. If I were you and you bought this slime thing, I would add lotion to the slime because this is ridiculous. But if it was clear slime, it would make it non-clear anymore. So maybe like put it in some water and heat it up. So I'm gonna be putting in a little of these foam beads, and like it's a mix of white and pink, which is really cute, and I like that. So I just put the slime in there and I'm shaking it up, and this is how it is when it came out. So it looks like some gigantic blob. So now I'm just mixing it. Ooh, that actually feels satisfying. Sorry. But it's pretty cute, but it's horrible. So if I were you, I wouldn't get this because a lot of these are clear slimes and I wouldn't want to mess them all up. So let's try this slime right here that is ridiculously hard to open. And I'm actually probably going to put in one of these charms. So the slime isn't good, but the things like the charms and the glitters and stuff, they're pretty nice. So these are the little charms that I have. So I have like this little strawberry cake one with some whipped cream and ice cream. No, acorn. And this little Martian. And so I think this one is the Martian slime. So I'm actually going to put that one in. So, yeah. Now putting in this cute, tiny little alien that is like so adorable. It's ridiculous. Look at it. And yeah. So this one, it is colored green, and it has like this turquoise glitter. This one is, these slimes are just hard to open, and they're not really good at all. So I wouldn't recommend buying them. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. But this is so cute. It says bye too.